Hello guys, so today we had this Scoda Fabia Mark II. I don't know which mark it is, but it's 2009, and it had a problem with the motor had not working. The window motor, the window was not rolling up or down. And the problem we found was, I think it's a common problem. I don't know if it's common or not, because I checked the fuses and everything. There is no issue. The button is working as well. Even here there is a power in the switch buttons as well, so the button is okay. There is no problem with this. The problem is basically this red and brown wire where there is no power. I've checked it and there's no power here, so obviously if there's no power the motor won't work. And the only issue is, and we swapped the motor as well, we already changed this, and that was not the problem as well. So we obviously put the old one back in and take the old new one out, because obviously we don't need to. We're just trying what was the issue, and when we checked everything out, it was basically over here. So basically the wire over here was broken, the red wire. That's why it's not working. So if you just check this, I think it's a common problem in Skoda. If you just check this out, I think it will solve the issue. So yeah, that's the only thing you have to look after, and you have to just diagnose it basically. And so yeah, so this is after fixing the window. Basically I've rewired it, I extended the wire and put it here, and now it's all done. So I've covered it up. So now the window is working properly, it's going up and down, so that's sorted now. So yeah, this is the only problem in this Skoda's. I think you just have to basically check the wire here, and the wire is a bit short, so you just extend it and that's it, it'll sort it out issue. Thank you.